branch codes, you've been great. Thank you. We're on Facebook and MySpace and stuff like that, so if you like what you heard, check us out.